Hi YouTube, and welcome to another video. This video is I have come to show you the different types of sublimation paper that I use. Someone asked me about the different types of paper that I use, and I've been sublimating probably maybe a year, but on and off, because I got my sublimation printer and then I did some things and then I didn't do it for a while, and then when the pandemic hit I started making t-shirts and matching masks and different stuff like that, so I started doing it a lot more. I started out with the Asa paper, and then I ran out, and so I ordered some other paper. So now I have a collection of different types of papers. So I'll just start out with this one. This is the ASUB 125, and I've gotten them in different GMs or whatever, and I'm not sure what the difference is with the different GMs or whatever. I think they say some are thicker than others, but I have used the ASUB paper. It's not my favorite, but I have used ASUB, and this one is the 8.5 by 14. I also have some ASUB, and that's the same, yeah, it's the same GMs or whatever, and this one is 11 by 17. And I got these, the ASUB paper came from Amazon. And then I got some koala paper, and this one was 123 GSM, and it's all gone. I really like this koala paper. This one kind of is one of my favorites. I really like this one, and so that one's all gone. And then I ordered another one, and then here's another one, and this is 13 by 19 because I have a Workforce 7720 with the 2 trays, and then I also have a Eco Tank 15,000 that I got but never turned into anything, and I've had it since probably July, August. I had a hard time getting it, and the only reason why I bought it is because my 7720 would just stop in the middle of my prints, and that just got super frustrating, and so I wanted an Eco Tank so I wouldn't run into that problem. But before I got my Eco Tank, I watched the video by Shakia Lavelle, which is Honestly Speaking and Silaholics Anonymous, and she sells a chip resetter that I keep on my printer. And before I got the other printer, this came in the mail, and I used it, and it is a lifesaver. So if you have a Workforce 7720 or 7710 or some of the other ones as well, go check out Shakia, because this thing right here, which cost me I think less than 20 bucks, could have saved me $600 because I have the other printer, and I've never, it's still in the box, unopened, anything. Eventually I'm going to use it, but for right now, this saved my life, and I recommend it to anybody. It resets my chips. When I refill my printer, I just use this, and it has just saved my life with that Workforce 7720. So this is my 13 by 19 because that's what size that printer does. And then I also I've used it in the 118 GSM, but there is no more Koala 1117 in this box. This box is full, but it's no longer koala paper in there. Now I have Honestly Speaking paper in here because it was the same size, and this is Shakia Lavelle's paper. I was so happy to see when she came out with her own line of paper, because she is such a blessing and she is such a help to the community. I found her in another group, but then I just went to her group because she basically is the only one that was able to help me with when I had all those printer issues and problems. I mean, she is a godsend. So I recommend that you go and you support her. Buy her paper. It's good. I've used it. I've used it on all of the. I made some sublimation pillows for my grandkids for Christmas, and I use Honestly Speaking paper, and it works really, really well. I really recommend it. And she has videos on how to use it, the time, the temperature, and everything. So go check her out. She has a Facebook group by the same name. She has a YouTube channel by the same name, and she has a website where you can order the paper. And she also has Silaholics Anonymous. So if you have a silhouette, which I no longer have, I gave mine away because it was, before I found her, it was such a problem. So I gave it away and got a Cricut Explorer, which I love. But one day I may go back and get another silhouette, since now I know that there's someone out there who knows how to really teach it to the point where you can understand it. So go and support Shakia's her paper. She has paper, she has ink, she has a lot of stuff, and also this chip resetter. So go and support our girl, because I like what she's doing, and I like how she's honestly speaking. So I really like that. So that's what's in this other koala. I put it in the koala paper because hers doesn't come in a box, but I had a box, so I just used the box. And then I have her 11 by 17. And then I also have her 13 by 19. And I used a lot of this, like I said. I made 7 sets of learning pillows for Christmas for my grandchildren. And let's see. And here is some of the things that I printed that didn't get pressed yet. I'm going to put these on some t-shirts or something. You can see it, I think, the right way, but it's actually backwards. This is my family's name, so I'm gonna put these on something. And you can tell Shakia's paper because it doesn't have anything on the back, but she tells you what size to print on. And it's really good. And I think I've used, this is her paper as well. I printed this as well. I just haven't put it on anything. I was gonna put it on a t-shirt, but I didn't put it on a t-shirt. But this is her paper as well, and it works really well. And then I printed this too, and I made a lot of these and sold them. The t-shirts, the mask, the gaiters, a lot of these. I'm gonna put this on the t-shirt, but this again is Shakia's paper as well. So those are the papers. And then I had got another paper. I was in a group, a paid group, and I was supposed to get a bundle of paper. It got all messed up. I didn't get the bundle of paper, and I just, it was just a mess. But they did put out some paper. I think they have their own website now too. But I ended up getting this paper. So it's okay. I like it. It's okay. But I just had such a hard time getting it to, I just kind of don't want to jump through hoops to get paper. So I just will just get the paper where I know that I can get it from. So, but I like the other group, Shakia's group. I really like that group. And I feel like I've gotten a lot of help from her. But yeah, so that's what I've been doing. I wanted to come and show the different papers that I have. I thought it was just 3 different papers, but actually I have 4 different papers that I use. And just depending on what project I am and what paper is closest to me, that's what I'll grab and use. And as I use it going forward, I will come and show what projects I used it on. I'll try to upload the video of just a picture that I took of all the stuff that I have made for my grandkids during Christmas. And all of those pillows were made with Shakia's paper, the Honestly Speaking paper. But it's just me showing the pillows on the sofa, getting ready to go drop them off to my grandkids at Christmas morning. So I hope you enjoyed this video, just seeing the different types of paper that I use. And like I said, going forward, I will show the different projects, or if I ever put these things on anything. I'll try to remember to come back and show you what I put them on. I'll probably put it on a t-shirt. I was going to put this one on a gaiter, but I think it was too wide because it needs to be taller and skinnier. So I'll probably maybe put this on a shirt or something later. I'm not sure what I'll use it for. Like I said, I sold a lot of those gaiters during the pandemic and everything. So that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Hit the thumbs up. Give me a thumbs up. Hit the notification bell so you'll know every time I come and upload a video. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. God bless you. You have an awesome and an amazing day.